How much do you care about the branding of your websites? If I go and highlight some text, I get the default browser colors for the background, and the text, well, is just my text color. But I get that orangey, autumny color, and that is nothing like my brand. So how can I change that? All you got to do inside of Elementor is go to your site settings, go to your custom CSS, and drop this simple bit of code in, : selection background. I've gone and picked my pinkish red color, and then I've made my text color be white. Save changes, and then go and preview your live site. And now when I highlight, can you see it's bringing back my brand color? I know it's a little bit very high contrast, red, white going on there. But if now you've got some colors that fit your brand, maybe a more pastel-y color, like a tone or a shade of your primary button color or accent color, you can now control what the user's going to see if they highlight anything. And even if there was never a reason for them to highlight, if they ever did, it still sticks to your brand. What do you think of that? Let me know in the comments. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Go and check out our exclusive Elementor course by signing up for our YouTube channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.